Welcome back from the ad break. I hope you are feeling refreshed and are ready to start with the application questions. So our first application question requires us to draw a table to compare 3 health issues that are related to the nervous system, namely deafness, blindness, and short-sightedness. In our table, we must make reference to the following: the affected sensory organ and the characteristics of the health issue. So you will have your table there with the 3 health issues. And then in deafness, the affected sensory organ is the ears. The characteristics of deafness: a person is not able to hear. Deafness can affect one or both ears. Moving on to our second health issue, we have blindness. We know that blindness affects the eyes. And with blindness, it is a loss of vision. We know that it cannot be corrected with glasses or contact lenses. And then thirdly, we have short-sightedness. This is another health issue that affects the eyes. How it is characterized is that it is an eye condition that causes distant objects to appear blurred, while close objects can be seen clearly. Our next application question requires us to complete a table also. Here we are going to complete the table, this table, by evaluating each situation that has been given to us. We are going to discuss which sense organs and processes are involved in each of the situations that have been given. And lastly, we are supposed to mention how you would respond to each situation. So when we look at the first situation, it involves kicking a ball to a friend. Now, if you think about it, which sense organs would be involved? We have the eyes and the skin. How are the eyes and the skin involved? The eyes are involved in the process of seeing. You need to see your friend's position to kick the ball in their direction. And in this instance, the skin is involved in the process of feeling. You need to feel the ball next to your feet. And how would you respond to that? You would respond to that using your effector muscles to kick the ball. Your muscles in your leg act to kick the ball to your friend. The second situation states that you are listening to your teacher reading out the spelling words. Which sense organs do you think would be involved in this situation? So we have the ears and the eyes. How are these 2 sense organs involved? We have the ears involved in the process of hearing. You need to hear the words or the spelling words that are being read out by your teacher. And then your eyes are involved because you are looking at the book where you will be writing. How are you going to respond to this situation? The muscles in your hands and arms will allow you to write. And with your eyes, you will be able to see where exactly it is that you are writing. Okay, the third situation, you are baking a cake and the cake is burning. So how are you going to know that this cake is burning? The sense organs that are involved here would be the eyes and the nose. Your eyes are involved in the process of seeing. It is possible that you might see some smoke in the kitchen coming from the oven. And 2, Your nose will be involved in the process of smelling, where you will be able to smell a burnt cake. How are you going to respond to this situation? You are going to first switch off the oven and remove the cake from the oven. And in our last situation, you are eating supper. So in that situation, which sense organs are involved? We have the eyes, the nose, and the tongue. In which processes are these sense organs involved? Your eyes are involved in the process of seeing. You are going to see that the food looks appetizing. Your nose will be attracted to the smell of the food. And then your tongue will be involved in the process of tasting. You will have to taste the food and determine if it tastes nice or not. And how will you respond to this situation? The muscles in your arms will keep on putting the food in your mouth. And that is obviously if the food tastes good. We are going to take a short break and we will be back soon.